all, today we are making an installation video of a BMC RESmart GII Auto CPAP. So here you see we have the device, humidifier, tube, this is a full face mask, power adapter connected to power cord which is connected to the power outlet. So firstly you'll have to check if your air filter is installed in the device and also the SD card. Next, to connect the tube, if you're using only the device, connect the tube to the device here itself, or if you want to use the device with a humidifier, attach the device and humidifier together until you hear a click sound, and then connect the tubing here. Next, you'll have to connect the power supply to the device, which is here, and as soon as you connect, the device is on and you can see the display. This is the main interference of the device, and if you want to change the settings, you'll have to press the ramp and the knob button continuously for at least 3 to 5 seconds, and then you see there is a change in window, which is the initial setup. So here you see if you need to change the settings, just press the knob and you can change the settings. So first comes the mode. So the device here is set is in auto, and then this is the minimum pressure. Because the device is set in auto, you will have a minimum and maximum pressure to be set. Minimum PAP for the device I'm setting at 4. You can also change it, but 4 will be minimum. This is the maximum ramp. This is the ramp time that you set. This is usually set at 30 minutes, but depending on your comfort you can also change it. This is the ramp pressure. This will be at 4 itself because the minimum pressure that we have set is 4. Maximum ramp. The device gives a maximum pressure output of 20 centimeter of water. So because we've selected on auto, you can keep it at 20. This is the sensitivity, which can also be set at 3 or 4. Auto on and auto off, should be on and off. Leak alert, this will show you if there is any leak in the device, either with the tube connecting or your mask. Leak alert will be shown. This is your tube size. Here this is a standard tube, so we're selecting 22 mm. RESlex is a comfort feature like flex, so you can keep this on. Yeah, so after the basic settings have been done, you can also see here for how many days you've been using, period 1 day, compliance, and what was your AHI, leak, and your mean percentile. And also you can see the unit is centimeter water used and time format, basic information, and you can also see the run time. Right now it is 0 because this is a new device, and then by clicking the knob you can go back to the therapy. So here, because a humidifier is not attached, you can stop the therapy by pressing the knob for 2 seconds. Yeah, and if you want to use the device with the humidifier, you'll have to fill in the water chamber which is inside. by clicking the push button here, you can release the outer cover and the water chamber can be removed, and then turn it over. This is the heated tube, heated plate, so be careful not to touch it as soon as you've off the device. And by rotating the lid, you can remove and pour in water. And here you can see this is the maximum water level, so make sure you don't pour more water than the max. So here I've poured in the water as shown. Close the cover lid. Yeah, so here you see this is the indication here. Maximum level, don't reach up till here, let it be to half, and then just slide in the water chamber inside the humidifier, close it, and the humidifier now has to be connected to the main device like this. Now the device is connected with humidifier. Now if you'll have to remove the humidifier, just click in this, press in this button, and it is removed, and you can attach again here. And let's on the machine now with humidifier. As you see now, we have on the device and the humidifier is attached, and on the display screen you see an indication of the humidifier that is on here. And as you start the therapy, click the knob, so here you see we have clicked long press the knob to start the therapy. And here we can change the humidification. Here there is also blue light indication where you can change humidification from 0 up till 5. There are blue indicators here and also here. So this humidification setting can be changed based on preference and based on the humidity levels of the city. So to start with the therapy, as said before, you'll have to connect the hose pipe to one end of the humidifier here, and the other end is connected to the mask. So as you see, I've connected the other end to the mask. One end is connected to the humidifier. So guys, this is how the device settings are done, and the device is used with the humidifier. Basic settings are shown. So guys, this is the installation video for BMC RESmart GII Auto CPAP. Thank you.